Hello friends, it's me Sulesh. Today I'm going to show what is backlink and how it will help for our website ranking in search engine optimization. First I'm going to show what is backlink. Just imagine this is your website and this is someone website. So this is completely two different website. Website 1 is yours, one is mine, for example. So in my website, maybe I put your URL. Okay, your website link I put on my website page. From your website, any pages, home page or any specific page, any landing page URL or link I put in my website page. So for me, from my side, it is external link. External link means the link is going to another website. Another website is yours. So it means the link is going to your website. So for me, it's an external link. But for you, it's a backlink. It's called backlink. It means your website link is in some other website. So for you, it's a backlink. This is a concept, but we cannot say this is the right backlink that you will get a ranking. So we cannot say now because there is a lot of things we need to do properly with the backlink. Then only you will get the ranking. You will get plus point from Google. Even you're doing backlink in some website, if you are not doing right way, you will get a lot of minus point for your website. So Google will sometime penalize your website also. That's why backlink is the technique to rank your website. But if you are not doing everything properly, then you will get a lot of minus point. For example, if you are going to put a backlink in another website, this is one website, and you can put backlink in website 2, and also you can put backlink in website 3, also another website. So if you have backlink from different website, you can get more benefit to your website. You will get more plus point if it is a right backlink. Okay, so you will get benefit. So I'm going to explain now how you will get benefit from backlink to your website. If you put backlink in another website, from that website you will get plus point to your website. If they have ranking, if they have plus point or ranking, you will get plus point also to your website. And if you are doing multiple backlink from different website, from each website, little by little, the plus point will go to your website. That way you can rank. Normally, if the people they visit your website, the traffic, the people are visiting your website, you will get plus point, you will get ranking, but it will be slow process. It will not be that much fast. But if you are putting backlink, it will be more fast. Your ranking will improve. You can put multiple backlink in different websites. So from there all you will get the plus point. But again, if you are putting right backlink, that all later we will discuss. So again, I'm going to give a very simple example. Imagine this is a water tank. It's a water tank, and this is your water tank, and there is no water, for example. And this is someone water tank, and they have already lot of water in this water tank, and also the water is filling always to this tank. Now you have water tank, but you don't have any water there. Now you are asking this water tank owner that can I connect one pipe to my tank. So they told okay, so we are going to connect a pipe to your tank, for example. So the connection is here, for example, pipe already connected to your tank. So this water always filling here, and they have a lot of water, then there is a high pressure also, so water will go to your tank. So you will get water from this tank to your tank. Same here also, similar. When you're putting backlink in another website and that website have more plus point, the plus point little by little it will go to your website also. Same thing, this is another water tank. Okay, this is another water tank, someone. From there also you are connecting pipe to your water tank. So from this water tank and also from this water tank you will get little by little water. If you are connecting more from more water tank, So you will get more water also from this all the water tanks like that. So if you are adding more backlink, you will get more benefit from each website. But here if you compare with water, definitely if you connect a pipe to your water tank, they will lose the water, they will lose their water in their water tank. But here in backlink option, if you put any backlink in any other website and if they have good ranking, they will not lose anything, but you will get benefit. That is the difference here. Now when you are going to put a backlink, imagine this website have something bad score, some negative point or something, that also it can go to your website and you will also get negative point. That's why we need to be very careful when you are going to do backlink. Same here example, you are connecting pipe from another water tanks. Imagine this water tank, there is a poison. Okay, in this water tank, inside the water there is a poison. That water will go to your water tank, then you are using this for example. So what will happen? There is a poison, so it will very danger. So same thing here, when you are putting backlink, if you don't know this website is good or no, it's a toxic website for example, it's a toxic website, so you will make a toxic backlink, so you will get really the minus point from Google, or maybe sometime Google will block your website also. So this process is called link juice. It's a link juice. It means we are just connecting a backlink. So link juice is a technical word for this process. And now we know already we need to put a backlink. So a lot of people will give tips and tricks that how you can find backlink, or some people they are selling backlink, or some software like online software or online website there. If you pay some money, then they will put your website link in so many website as a backlink. So you will get a lot of backlink. You know, this we need to be very careful in this backlink when you are going to do. Otherwise, Google will penalize your website. Google will block your website. So I'm going to explain what we cannot do. What we cannot do in the backlink option. A lot of people, what they are doing, they will find some blogging site. So many blogging site online. Lot of people are visiting. In blogging site, there will be a comment box inside the blogging site, so we can comment about the blog. So we can go and comment about the blog. That is completely fine. But what the SEO, some of the SEO expert and also some SEO agency, not all the people, some of them, what they will do, they will go to the blogging site and they will comment something here and they will put link, backlink. It means they will put their website or their client website link URL on this comment box and submit. So this link will go to this blogging website page. So this is considering as a backlink. So if your link is here, this is like a backlink, and this website is blogging site, normally they will have good ranking, high ranking. So this website ranking also it will share to your website. So a lot of people, they know this, what they're doing, all the experts, they just go and comment the link and they submit. I also did before this. It was working, it was getting ranking. After that I understand is Google, they are giving a lot of minus point if you do this. So that's why I will not recommend to do this. For the backlink, don't comment any blogging site and don't put your website link. So you will get a lot of minus point. It's spamming actually, it's not working. So we will not make backlink this way. Then you will think, okay, what about the competitor? Your competitor, maybe they will put your backlink on this type of website and you will get minus point. Maybe it will happen. Yes, people are doing before competitor that way. Some of them, they are doing this. It means I am your competitor, then I will take your website link and I will submit somewhere in blogging site. But nowadays Google is not giving any minus point for that, because Google, they know who is putting this backlink. You are the one putting or someone they are adding. Everything Google can track now. It's very easy for them. So it means if someone they did for your website link, it's like a negative SEO. If someone did negative SEO for your website, Google will not care that, because you are not the one doing that, someone did. But if you are the one doing this commenting and all this, definitely you will get the minus point for your website, because Google know that you are the one doing, or Google know everything, that who is your programmer, who is editing your website, from which computer, from which IP address, each and everything they can track. So they understand it's you, from you or from someone. So I will not recommend like going and commenting somewhere. Not only blogging sites, there is some online website we can find out like question answer people are asking. So there also this the people are trying to make backlink. The people are asking some question, then they will answer there, then they will also put the backlink, the link. So also spamming. Some other people, what they do for the backlink, they will go to some website, there will be contact form like email ID, phone number, all you can submit. So these people will go to the website, for any website, is company website, maybe ranking website, because they will search some keyword on Google, then which one is the top first page, they have high ranking. So they will go to that website, they will find out some contact forms, and they will put email ID, phone number, some fake email ID, phone number, but there will be message column. In that message column they will put backlink, they will put their website link and submit. So what will happen, the link for the website, for example, it's your website, your website link will go to this website server or inside. So this will also considering as backlink before. It's not allowed, but before the Google side or anything, they don't have maybe detecting system like this. They cannot detect before. But now this is all big spamming. But if you do this type of work for the backlink, definitely you will get lot of minus point. So I will never recommend to do this type of spamming things. If you do that, you will get huge minus point. Then from there, if you want to recover from that, it will take long time. You cannot say how long it will take to recover from these all spamming things. Some other people, what they do, there will be some online website. This website, when you go and sign up, and maybe you pay maybe like $100, then what you need to do, there will be option for one column that you can add your website, or which website you are going to rank, that website URL, the link you need to give and submit. So this website will bring your website link to some other website. They will put in some different website as a backlink. We don't know how they are putting. Maybe this website is a programmed website, and this website have robots. These robots will go to hack any other websites, maybe the HTTP websites. Then they will put backlink there. This all big spamming. Google can find out this all very easily. If you do these things again, definitely you will get a lot of minus point, or Google can block your website also. So we will not pay any money for the ranking. No one can rank with money if there is any tool, for example, because Google is blocking each and everything like this spamming website, but we cannot say 100%, because every day there is a new spamming website is popping up. So maybe you find already a website and they are offering backlink or ranking. They are saying that $100 you pay, then you will get a lot of plus point. And maybe some other people also, they experience, they are good, it's coming like that, is okay. So you also maybe try. So you give already $100, then they give you ranking. Then when you check after 1 month or 1 or 2 weeks or 1 month later, your website is ranking on Google on the first page. So you think, okay, it's working. Then you will pay more money and to get more ranking. But after that, when Google this find out, definitely Google will find this type of spamming. Not today or tomorrow, maybe after 1 month like that. Then Google will block your website also. So that's why we will not do any shortcut. I will not recommend to do any shortcut here to get the ranking. And if someone telling that you pay money, we will rank, or maybe sometime some agency they are offering, you just pay like a advance amount, then we will rank your website on Google first page. After that you give money, complete amount. Then you will think, okay, it's nice, because when they rank your website, then only we will pay money. Then you just give advance amount, then they start working. After one or 2 months, or after 1 month, they rank your website on Google first page. And when you're checking, your website is already on Google first page, and also you are getting traffic to your website, and people are purchasing, you're really happy. Then you will pay all whatever the money. For example, they are telling $5,000 US need to give. So you will give, because you are already got the result. But after maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, or after 1 month, you cannot see anywhere your website on Google. Then you will contact them. Then you will tell, oh, where is my website is not showing there. Then they will tell, we don't know. You already seen, we already make already your website on first page on Google. But now maybe you did something wrong. We don't know. They will tell like that. So you cannot even identify also. You don't know this. We cannot even identify, or we cannot even find out what happened. This is nothing. Google, they just find the spamming things and Google block. That's only. But you will think maybe this is not their problem. Your money also gone. That's why I will teach here how you can get the ranking with backlink. Backlink is the option, but how you will put proper backlink without having any trouble. It means you will put good backlink to another website and Google will give also some plus point. It's a long time. Google will not give any minus point also. We will do in safe way, not like a shortcut or any illegal thing. I will never recommend to do any shortcut. So we will not do any shortcut. We will do in normal way. So that is next part video. I will make for more detailedly how you can put backlink, how we will find out the backlink website, good website. So we need to check that website, what is the plus point for that website and what is the minus point, or they have any minus point or no. That we will check. That is the first thing we need to check, they have anything minus point here or toxic website or no. If not, then only we will proceed for next step. So this all I will make one more video how we can do this. Then only we will do the backlink. If you have any question or a suggestion, you can message me. So I will get back to you. And thanks for watching and take care. See you on next video.